Welcome to Amazon. Your selling adventure starts now. Hey everyone, Gary Vee here. Let's talk Amazon. It's a platform that has revolutionized the way we buy and sell products. It's big, like really big. We're talking about a global marketplace with millions of customers. Want to sell stuff online? Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Amazon offers endless opportunities. Amazon is the place to be. It's where buyers and sellers come together in a seamless, user-friendly environment. Think of Amazon as a giant online store. It's like having your own shop in the world's busiest mall. People shop there for everything. And guess what? You can tap into this massive customer base. You can sell your products there too. From handmade crafts to wholesale items, the possibilities are endless. It's easier than you think. Amazon provides all the tools and resources you need to get started. Whether you make your own stuff or buy and resell, Amazon is your friend. It's a platform that supports all kinds of sellers. Ready to make some money? Let's do this. The potential for profit is huge. I'm pumped for you to start this journey. It's not just about selling, it's about building a brand and a business. Selling on Amazon can change your life. It offers financial freedom and the chance to be your own boss. Let's get you set up. The first step is to create your seller account and list your products. The adventure starts now. Okay, let's list your product on Amazon. Don't worry, it's easy. Just follow these steps and you'll be up and running in no time. Step 1. Create an Amazon seller account. It's free. Just head over to the Amazon Seller Central website and sign up. You'll need some basic info, like your name, address, and a few other details. Easy peasy. Make sure you have your bank account information handy for payments. Step 2. Click Add a Product. This is where the magic begins. Tell Amazon what you're selling. Be specific. Include details like the product name, brand, and category. The more information, the better. Use good photos so people know what to expect. High-quality images can make a big difference in attracting buyers. Step 3. Set your price and shipping options. Consider the competition and what similar products are selling for. Think about how much it costs you to make or buy the product. Factor in all your expenses, including shipping and handling, then add a little profit. You want to make sure you're covering your costs and making a bit of money. Boom, you just listed your first product on Amazon. Congratulations, see? I told you it was easy. With just a few simple steps, you're now an Amazon seller. Now let's talk about how massive Amazon really is. From warehouses to delivery trucks, Amazon's operations are vast and impressive. Listen to this, millions of people shop on Amazon every single day. That's a lot of potential customers for you. Amazon sells over 12 million products. That's more products than you can shake a stick at. And guess what? Yours can be one of them. Did you know that almost half of all online sales happen on Amazon? That's insane. It's the place to be if you want to sell online. So what are you waiting for? Join the millions of sellers already making bank on Amazon. The opportunity is there for the taking. Section 4. Benefits of selling on Amazon Cha-ching. Selling on Amazon is like having your own store, but without the hassle. Imagine running a business where you don't have to worry about the overhead costs of a physical location or the complexities of managing a website. Amazon does all the hard work for you. They take care of the logistics, so you can focus on what you do best, creating and sourcing great products. They handle the website, the payments, and even the customer service. This means you don't have to invest in a tech team or a customer support department. You get access to millions of shoppers who are already looking for products like yours. Amazon's vast customer base is a goldmine for any business owner. It's like having a giant billboard for your business, but way cheaper. The visibility you get on Amazon is unparalleled, and it doesn't cost a fortune. Plus, Amazon makes it easy to ship your products. Their streamlined shipping process ensures that your customers receive their orders quickly and efficiently. They have warehouses all over the country, so you can get your products to your customers fast and cheap. This extensive network of fulfillment centers means reduced shipping times and costs. Bottom line, selling on Amazon is good for business. It's a no-brainer. With all these benefits, it's clear that Amazon provides a platform that can help your business thrive and grow. There you have it. You now know the basics of selling on Amazon. It's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, work hard, and never give up. You got this. Now go out there and crush it on Amazon. I believe in you. Gary Vee out.